Hey, what's going on people? Today I'll show you how to get free TikTok followers. Now before I start, I want to tell you that I just set up a new TikTok account for this so I can show you with proof that this is the only website that works for free TikTok followers. You may see other fake websites that look very similar to this one, but TikFollows.com is the only working website. So here's the new account with 0 followers and I'm gonna show you how it works. So go to TikFollows.com. TikFollows.com is the only website that works for this. The whole process is very easy. You just type in your username and click on connect. Then you're asked to choose how many followers you want. Now we only support up to 5,000 followers at the moment because our network is still small. Bear in mind that the bigger amount of followers you choose, the more time it will take for them to follow you. Once you do that, you're brought to the final step, which is human verification. Just click verify, and this is very easy. You just install and run one of the apps from this list for about 30 seconds. This is how we monetize the website. Now stay with me guys, and you'll see that once I install and run the app, I will start receiving real followers immediately. So this is not fake like all other videos that will show you fake proof. I'm going to show you how I received these 1,000 followers. Now, bear in mind also that this process will take like a couple of hours, maybe 3 to 5 hours, so don't expect the followers to arrive at your account immediately. As you can see, I just run this app for about 30 seconds and I received a notification from TikTok. This means that people already started following me. Now I'll go to check and I'll refresh a couple of times so you can see the followers I receive. Please watch the time at the top of the screen so you can see how long it takes before I receive all the amount of followers. If you want, you can also go and check this account. It's called TikFollows1 on TikTok. And you can see that I will have 1,000 followers. Okay guys, so that's it. It's been a couple of hours till I submit my username and I received my followers. Now you have to start uploading TikToks because these followers are real people, and if you don't post any content, they may not be interested in following you. So to keep your followers, please make sure your account is active. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope to teach you more tricks like this soon. Goodbye.